Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be attempting a Teaira Walker tutorial, okay? Because when I saw the thumbnail I was like, oh yeah, I gotta get these two braids out my head and we about to do this. Okay, so I just took my two braids out, y'all, and I brushed it out with, believe it or not, this brush, y'all. This is a Cosmolage, I don't know. Okay, but I remember receiving this and I looked at it like, who about to comb this with their curls? And then it dawned on me it may not be for curls, maybe for like afros, because it is kind of big. And I would have to let y'all know that this really combed out. Like, my hair has a bunch of jam on it. If y'all don't remember from that video, it has a bunch of jam, so it's very sticky, very sticky. So having this was kind of cool. Anyway, this is not about the brush, I just want to tell y'all. And it also helped me out a lot when I was brushing out the hair, because I basically took the same hair that I used in those two braids and I put it back together and I brushed it out, and y'all gonna see that's the ponytail that I'm using today. Let's just get into this video. So what I was doing, y'all, I had started using this unwashed dry cleanser. It's for curls. I've had this product for some time now and I was just like, when am I ever gonna need a dry shampoo? But now that I just took those two braids out, like, I wanted to just see, like, does it make me feel like I ain't got no oily scalp, or what it's gonna feel like? So anywho, that's what I'm using. I shook it up already, but I'm gonna shake it up again because I'm about to use it. But they say to spread like 10 inches away from your hair, so, well, really your scalp. So just, I guess, part, and then just, and then part. Y'all, they just started barking because they're doing some construction over there. But anyway, just keep on parting and spraying the dry shampoo. That's what I'm gonna do. And see what this feel like. It is starting to feel a little bit lighter. It says to wait a minute or two for it to like dry and set, and then style your hair as normal. Now my scalp feels really clean to me, actually. I do want to add some type of gel. You guys know you need some gel to slick this thing back. I think I'm gonna go in with the extreme wet line. Hopefully it'll reactivate some of that jam I already have on my hair, so I don't have to put additional jam or anything. And also give me some type of gelling effect, because I need some gel. I need to hold it, slick it down. So I'm just first gonna try to go ahead and put the gel all around my hair, because y'all know you gotta put it in the back, because this is a high pony, not a low pony. If it was a low pony, I wouldn't put a thing back there. My edges are all gelled, and now I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the inside portion, because y'all know I like to really slick mine down. And I like to section it off a little bit and gel the inside. If you got time to like do it in layers and really gel your hair down, then kudos to you, friend. But for me, I'm gonna try to do it chunky this time, since I already have jammed down hair. So I'm just gonna take my brush like I did in the other video and just kind of brush that gel through at the roots. We getting slicker. I like it. So just slick this down as best as you can. And then secure it with a ponytail. And I like to put like a scrunchie on it first, y'all. You know, just to make sure the hair is all up. And I don't have a mirror like sitting right here in front of me. But I also like to just like comb it, make sure it's all smooth in my mirror, like really close up. Make sure it's nice and sleek, and then put the hair tie on. Look how sleek I got that though. Let me tell you, that is not just gel. Jam is where it's at. When you're trying to do like a slick back, like I saw a huge difference between when I put the gel versus the jam. It's like the jam doesn't have that much water or something, so it just be like, eh. Let me tell y'all what I have to use to put my ponytails a snappy, y'all. I just tried to put my ponytail in with this. First of all, look at all my hair. All that hair that it took out just for me using that. And I took it out because it wasn't even right. So I had to go find my snappy because I didn't know where it was at, girl. So, but if y'all want to purchase some snappies, put in the description bar below because I got a coupon code. But yeah, hear me. I think I wrapped it around like twice And then all you gotta do is click it, and that's it. Ponytail is in. I left a little baby hairs out. That's these little hairs you'll see, little baby hairs. All right, y'all. So I actually went to the store and got some hair strips, and I did my edges and everything. So I just went ahead and tied this up, and now we are going on with the pony. All right, so I have the hair already on here, and y'all, when I was brushing out the hair, like I said, I used this, and as y'all can see, it really detangled it, and it all really just blended back in. This is the same hair I took out of the braids, the 2 braids that I just had. So honey, we are making this work, okay? We are using this hair for more than one purpose. Now you just want to take the hair and place it underneath the ponytail. So just take all my hair, put it in a ponytail. Basically, just put it in a ponytail. Put your hair through the loop. Just like that, with your real hair on top. Okay? And I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see. Here's my ponytail. Oh, it's cute already. And that's the end of the tutorial. Bye. I'm just playing. Okay, cool. From here, y'all, what she did was she took a piece of the hair and put this out of the way. I'm just gonna clamp it to my shirt. All right, y'all, now that I have this piece out of my way, I'm just gonna separate. She said to separate your hair from the braiding hair. Okay. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna section this piece, the big piece, into 3 pieces, y'all. Basically 1 over each shoulder, and then 1 piece in the back. Then you want to take your hair and break it up into 3 pieces, and you just want to mesh it with the piece of hair that you have here. So I'm gonna just get me some jam and gel. Let me tell y'all something. This is not easy with natural hair. Okay, so I did break my hair off into 3 sections as well. I took the papers off because I kept picking up the paper. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and hold these in my hand, and then I'm just gonna start. So I'm gonna take this piece in with that piece. Okay. Like that. Then I'm gonna take this piece with this piece. And grab the last piece like that. So now that I have it all like in my hand, ready to start the braid, I want to just make sure it's not tangled. I'm just gonna brush all this out. Just starting off the braid, and I'm adding some jam as I go, just like I did in the other video. Just gonna keep braiding as tight as I can. Now I gotta flip it so that it's in front of me. Whoo, baby! And I'm gonna brush it out now because it just got a little tangled. And I'm just gonna keep braiding down. This a thick braid, honey. Yes! I went ahead and stopped the braid, y'all. First of all, it's messing up right here. But look at it. It look good though. It's just messing up right there. And also I wanted to feed in more hair because it was about to end a little too quick for me. I wanted it to be a little longer. So I put a little rubber band on it. Just trying to braid it all the way. We're gonna get down there and we're gonna cut her off. So now I have my braid completed. Oh my God, it's so big. This is the full braid. This is what it looks like. It's not perfect, but it's not horrible. I can dig it. So now I want to just take this piece, and you just want to put some gel or jam or something on it. And then you just want to take this piece and just wrap it around to disguise any imperfections. This is the finished final look. Oh my god, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, this ponytail is so heavy. Fren, I did it. I did another style. My protective style game about to be on point. Y'all playing. And I still got some more hair to braid, so I think I might just braid this all the way down a little bit further and then put the rubber band on and then cut it, because I do like the blunt look that she had on the ends, but I don't want to cut this much hair off. I'd rather keep braiding. So I got to the end, I put a rubber band on it, and she just did a blunt cut like that. That's how they're ending them. Just a nice long braid. And y'all, I had took this thing back out, y'all, because my head was hurting, but I'm gonna wrap it back. All right, you guys, so I am done, finally. I am finally done with my ponytail. The Teaira Walker tutorial really helped me out, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, because your girl got a long, cute pony. Your girl got a long, cute pony. I had to put on some face, y'all, because I had to see what I look like with a slick back. And look, I'm slick, slick. We slick, slick. Okay? We are slick, slick. Natural hair for the win, even though it was blown out and old. Just saying, it's nice. So I'm gonna let y'all see how it looks from the back. So, I mean, I messed up a little bit. I want to say like right here. I could have tightened that a little bit more. And just so y'all know, this is the next day. So last night I wrapped it by just putting it up like this and then putting a bonnet on. So y'all, this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed my take on Teaira Walker's video, because I really like it. This is a quick, easy style. I will say the hardest part about this style was the start of the braid. She mentioned to go like in the back and start it like that, and I do see why she did that, because it is tighter up there than coming to the front and then trying to do it. The braid starts up here. My hair meshed in pretty well, but for my first time I think it's really, really good. I think this is a hairstyle you can wear for like 3 to 4 days, and then probably like 2 days, and then you probably gonna be over it, because this ponytail here, I would say these 3 bundles is a little heavy at first, but today it's a lot better. It's a different look for me, so it's just nice to see my hair all the way slicked back. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.